How to secure your shared hosting server. Shared hosting is a popular hosting platform that's the first choice of most new site owners. Security is a prime concern with shared hosting, where several websites share hosting space and resources. Here's how you can secure your shared hosting to safeguard against malware and hacking attacks. Choose a reliable hosting partner. Your choice of hosting partner plays a big role in your website's security. Choose a reliable hosting partner who doesn't compromise on security to cut corners. Install additional security. All shared hosting plans bundle some sort of security for basic protection. Install additional security measures to get more protection from layered security. Configure user roles and permissions. In a shared environment, improper user permissions may allow the wrong people to access your website. Set proper role permissions and clearly define user roles to restrict access to your website. Avoid untrusted sources. While it is tempting to install applications from untrusted sources, they could be infected with malware. Avoid downloading from untrusted sources as they could leave your website open to malware and hacking attacks. Take regular backups. A backup is often the last line of defense and can save your website from complete data loss. Taking regular backups will enable you to restore from the latest backup with minimal data loss. Reseller Club offers affordable shared hosting with free cPanel, a one-click Softaculous installer, and robust security. Get a stable hosting platform that offers easy upgrades and free website migrations with 24/7 support.